Chef, I'm so excited to finally be in your kitchen. I heard you cook up the best in island cuisine.
Well, thank you, Didi. Thank you for the compliment. I believe I do, actually.
I love it. You really do, because here at the Avalon Grille, you really have a lot of amazing dishes.
Yeah, we do. We have a lot of amazing dishes, and today we have decided to make a Ballast Point Ale poached ocean trout.
Very nice. What are the ingredients into this dish?
The ingredients into this dish, we have decided to use some Manila clams, garlic, shallot, fennel, some Spanish chorizo.
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 Chorizo. What's chorizo?
Chorizo is a type of charcuterie also known in Spanish as embutido.
Embutido.
Embutido, who contains garlic, paprika, pork, and then, go to the process of fermentation, drying, curing, all that beautiful stuff to enjoy the flavors.
It sounds so good. I want to eat it right now.
We will, don't worry.
What else, Chef?
Then we have with the potion liquid, we have star anise, thyme, bay leaf, white peppercorn, fennel seeds, parsley, fennel, onion, garlic, and the Ballast Point Ale. And so it's gonna be a lot of fall components. But we cannot forget the main ingredient.
What's that?
Which is the ocean trout.
The ocean trout. Let's take a look at that. That's beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's a gorgeous piece of fish, wild caught.
That's quite a healthy amount of ingredients, but to prepare this island favorite, it only took 3 easy steps. First, cutting up all the ingredients for the poaching liquid for the fish.
Chop up some onions in there.
And some lemon and orange. Right? Star anise.
White peppercorn.
So 5 or 6 little seeds of that. Wonderful.
Same with the fennel seed, a little bit not that many.
A few fennel seeds.
A few fennel seeds, yes. Then you got the parsley, and then
a little bit of garlic.
A little bit of garlic.
A bay leaf.
Bay leaf, yeah.
Oh, and thyme.
We added a little olive oil to saute the mixture, followed by Ballast Point Ale, and what a wonderful smell. While our poaching liquid simmered on low, Chef Edwin then cut the skin off the fish, added some sea salt, and let the fish simmer in the poaching liquid for about 5 minutes. While that was cooking, Chef Edwin steamed the clams for about 2 minutes and mixed up the ingredients for the sauce.
Well, Didi, all the components are cooked and ready to be served. So let's start plating this dish.
Chef Edwin began plating the dish with the sautéed clams. He removed the herbs from the fish and topped it off with clam juice and a shaved fennel salad.
It looks and smells absolutely beautiful. And if you would like to try this dish, come on down to the Avalon Grille here on Catalina Island and meet Chef Edwin. He's here to cook you up these dishes and so much more. And if you'd like to download the recipe, you can always go to our website, athomewithdidiayer.com. Thank you so much, Chef.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.